Hi everybody, this is Glenn from SmartBurn. SmartBurn is a chimney cleaner and combustion enhancer for wood heaters that's designed to last for about 3 months of burning most nights in your wood heater. In answer to your question, how do we know when the SmartBurn is at the end of its life? For most people, when you're burning similar wood, putting a log on at 10 o'clock at night when you go to bed each night, you wake up in the morning, you'll have a longer overnight burn through the use of a SmartBurn. You'll have more coals the next morning. Towards the end of life of SmartBurn, you will notice you're not getting those coals in the morning. A lot of people will also observe that your glass door starts to get blacker towards the end of the life of the SmartBurn. One of the other simple tests you can do is, if you pick up a SmartBurn, this is a used one out of my fireplace here, when it's cold, and only when it's cold, pick it up and shake and rattle, and if you hear a rattle like in this one, then you've still got some active ingredients in your SmartBurn and you're still going to continue to get the use of it. At this time of year, it's first weekend of May in Perth, it's the start of winter for us here in our climate. We generally suggest to people, buy a new SmartBurn for the start of winter because you know where you're up to with your 3 months. But if you've got a used SmartBurn from the end of last season and you're not sure if there's some active ingredients in it or you've still got a little bit of ingredients in it, leave it in your fire as well. So put your new SmartBurn on one side and put the old SmartBurn on the other side. That way, if you have got some active ingredients in it, you're still going to continue to get the benefits of those. And if you're not, you've got a bit of empty pipe in your firebox, which is not going to do any harm. So thank you for your use of SmartBurn. Keep warm this winter.